Welcome to my daily coding tutor YouTube channel. In today's topic, we are discussing on the difference between continue and break statements in Java. In Java, the continue and break statements are control flow statements used to alter the normal flow of loop. They are used to alter the normal flow of loops. They have distinct purposes. In Java, both continue and break statements are used to alter the flow of a loop, but they have a different purposes. The first one we're going to look into here is the continue statement. The continue statement is used to skip the current iteration of a loop and move to the next iteration. It does not terminate the loop, it simply skips the remaining code for the current iteration. It is used to skip the current iteration of the loop and move to the next iteration. It skips the remaining code in a current loop iteration and jump to the next iteration. Let's look into the use case. When you want to bypass condition within a loop and continue with the next iteration. The use case is to skip this continuous loop. It skips processing certain condition within the loops to bypass a specific iteration without existing the loops. That is how it works. Now let's look into the examples. We have Java 4, open brackets, int I equals to 1, semicolon, I is less than equals to 5, semicolon, I plus plus, close bracket, open braces. If open bracket I equals to 3, close bracket, open braces, continue, semicolon, comment, skip the rest of the loop but then when I equals to 3, close bracket, close braces. Let's look into the outputs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The second one we are going to discuss is the break. The second one we are going to look into is the break statement. The break statement is the second one we are looking into. The break statement is used to terminate the loop or switch statement entirely. It is used immediately to exit the loop or switched block and continue execution within the next statement outside the loop. In this break statement, it is used to terminate the loop or switch statement immediately. It exits the loop entirely, skipping all remaining iteration. That is how the break statement work. Now let's look into the use case. When you want to stop the execution of a loop early based on a condition. To exist from a loop when a certain condition is met, terminate a switch statement entirely. Let's look at the examples. We have Java 4, open bracket, int I equals to 1, semicolon, I is less than equals to 5, semicolon, I plus plus, close bracket, open braces. If open bracket I is equals to 3, close bracket, open braces, break, semicolon, comment, exit the loop entirely when I is equals to 3, close braces. System.out.println, open bracket I, close bracket, semicolon, close braces. Let's look at the output. We have 1, 2. Now we are going to look into the difference, the key difference between the break and the continue. The differences, the comparison between the break and the continues. We have the feature, we have the purpose, we have the effects on loop, and we have the scope, and we have the continuous and the break. Now let's compare the two of them. Let's know and see the difference. In the purpose, continue skip the current iteration while break exits the loop or switch the block. The break terminates the loop completely while the continuous keep the current iteration and continues with the next. Now let's look into the effect on loops. The continue move to the next iteration, like I said earlier, while the break terminates the loop. In the scope, the continuous walk inside the loops, while the break walk in loops and switched. The break stop the loop immediately, while the continue jump to the next iteration of the loop. The break exists early when a condition is met, while the continuous ignores specific cases in a loop. So that is the difference between the both. So in summary, use continue to skip the rest of a current iteration. Use break to terminate the loop entirely. So this is where we are going to stop for today. Thanks for watching our video. Like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye.